The poll battle in Bengal has once again reached Election Commission's door. This time the BJP has moved poll panel against West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The Saffron Party has alleged that Mamata's statement claiming that the party pays people for attending rallies violates the model code of conduct. The BJP claim that Didi has leveled charges of bribery and is spreading hate against the party. Mamata, while addressing a rally in Kulpi yesterday, has alleged that the BJP pays people to attend its rallies. Prime Minister Modi, during his rally in Hooghly, slammed Mamata for her paid audience barb, saying that she's insulting the people of Bengal. BJP's complaint to EC came right before the final day campaigning for the Phase 3 poll scheduled for 6th of April in Bengal. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath are today going to be making the last-ditch effort to woo the voters in the poll-bound districts for the Phase 3.
हद तो इस बात की है, अब दीदी आप बंगाल की जनता के अपमान पर उतर आई है। साथियों, दीदी ने कहा है कि बीजेपी की रैली में जो भीड़ जुटती है वो पैसे के लिए जुटती है। मैं जरा आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, जो भी सच हो आप जवाब देना। मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूं भाइयों बहनों, क्या आप इतनी गर्मी में इतने घंटों से इतनी परेशानी उठाकर यहां आए हैं, क्या पैसे के लिए आए हैं? क्या पैसे के लिए आए हैं? क्या?
Prema Rajaram is now joining us live for the very latest. Prema, of course, it's jibes and counter-jibes and BJP versus TMC, and we're playing that out for our viewers as well. And I'm sure you're tired of answering this question, but what does the mood really look like as far as the actual electorate is concerned? What is the pulse you're picking up?
But as far as the pulse on ground, the charges between BJP and Trinamool Congress is something that the voters are watching very keenly, because there are 6 more phases of elections and they are looking at every step of the BJP and TMC before they go and cast their vote at the ballot box. But these charges are coming in from the BJP this time over Mamata's claim that the BJP is paying people to come for their rallies, and there have been several times that the BJP has gone to the Election Commission against the Trinamool Congress. And of course, Trinamool Congress has been going to the Election Commission as well. But as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned, they have been saying that the BJP is getting voters or getting people on spots to the grounds, and saying that this is because the BJP is paying them. And also sometimes Trinamool Congress has gone out and said that there are not too many people at the rally. So somewhere Trinamool Congress making various claims, various charges against the BJP, but the BJP are hitting back at the Trinamool Congress and trying to send out the message that voters or people, as far as BJP supporters are concerned, are coming for the rallies because they want to and not because they are paid. Back to you, Shetty.
All right, Prema, thanks for getting us that report right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.